Right here at Dudley, got F001. I ain't quite sure what the train is. 38-2 in the lead. We'll lean back and check him out. Yeah, he rolling now.